Howdy boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian from Spooky Laters. Today we have 4 brand new inflatables from Amazon. Take a look at them, light them up, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's inflate them. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, here we go. Jack's on his way up. This one might need some help. This ghost one's huge. All right, Jack. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think she's going to need assistance here. Oh my lord, this is 10 foot tall, folks. I really like this one. It has 3 ghosts on a big giant base. I mean, the base is ginormous. And I mean, all 3 of these ghosts stand really nice. Totally dig this one. Alright, I think that's maybe how the broomstick's supposed to go up in between the cat like that. So it looks like he's holding on to the broomstick. Really cool. I like this one now. I was thinking that was not going to work for me, but hey, now this Jack skeleton is really cool. I like him. It's not too shabby. Got him off Amazon. Put the links down below if you want to get your own for Halloween 2022. But the coolest is this motorcycle dude. Check this Reaper out, man. It's kind of tilting over. Hold on. Let me knock him that way so you can kind of get a full look at him. That is so cool. He's on a motorcycle. He's got bone hands. His face lights up. He's got this pirate jackal pumpkin on the back. His feet hang off the side. This is really cool. I like this Reaper one. And here's the back of the 10-foot ghost. All right, so let's turn the lights up. All right, lights out. Jack skeleton looks really good. I like him. And like I said, I get a lot of inflatables for the whole month of October, and then I don't bring out the animatronics or anything till the week of Halloween. So in the meantime, we'll have this inflatables all month long, and I'll put some props out, but I'm not going to activate them or nothing. I just kind of just put them out for look, so that people know, hey, this is going to get lit. This Reaper is so freaking cool. Alrighty, so hopefully you dig this video. Like I said, I'll put the links down below in the product description. This is Brian from Spooky Laters. Until next time, y'all stay spooky, my friends. Ooh.